Hello everybody, welcome to Teardown. As you can tell, I very just woke up. But for this video I don't have a microphone, so you guys won't be able to really hear me. But other than that, yeah. This is Teardown. So what we're gonna do today is yeah, the camera's tilted down a little bit. Okay, that's good. I actually don't know. I didn't think this out. Ow. I have an idea. Wait. Okay. Come on, don't show. It's gonna show, isn't it? Okay, I hope I remember to blur that part out. But yeah. I mean, it doesn't really matter. You could just friend request me, but it's not bad. Oh. Wait, what was I gonna do? Oh, right. Hot browser. I really hope you guys could hear me okay. We're going to Fell Titan, which I'm really not happy about. This is not a... I'll feel better if I get a vehicle. I hear footsteps. No. Black. I don't care which color. Get in. Do not like this. Oh. And my goal today is to not get scared, which is very easy for me. Oh. So actually, this isn't my first video. I have another channel. It's called Fluffy, Bobby, and Ricky. You should go check that out. And what's killing me? Oh. I'm so doomed. Fly up. Oh, so it just leads to another thing? Oh no, I see rib cage. No. Is that a whole skeleton? Ah, okay. That's why they call it Fell Titan. Because he kind of fell and then fell forever. And then he turned into bones after so long. Oh my. That was scary. Should do something more like better. Other than just sit here. And then just do different mods. Do something you guys would actually like. Oh, if I didn't continue saying my channel because how scared I was, go check out my other channel. It's called Fluffy, Bobby, and Ricky. And I also deleted my channel and I'm recreating it. This is about to be my first video on it. But I have 25 videos before this on a different channel. I deleted all those videos to make it the new channel. I know I didn't have to really do that, but I only had 2K views in total. Like, it's not much. Ooh. Okay, you could play. What? You could play it? I thought you could spawn it. I guess not. Ragdoll. Wave. Sup, dude? Can I punch you? Do I have weapons? Oh. Why do I have, like, no weapons? These are all the weapons I have in, campaign mode. Never mind. Soon we're about to do campaign mode after I see what the heck is this. Can I pull this? What the? Does it do anything? Wave. Oh! Ragdoll. What? This is weird. This is dumb. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I mean, like, that's a huge size of explosion. I'm gonna have to cover myself with this. Or just get in some AC vent. Oh, I can get back here. No, back here, back here, back here. I could still kind of see him. 3, 2, 1. Ow! What? Is he invincible? Wait. We'll test that out. What the heck? Wait. I want to get out of here. What's out here? Hold on. Can I somehow just... Well, just smack some right here so I can get out of here. Get me right there, but that's okay. I want to get out of here, bro. Oh, don't fall back in. There's something I have to do to destroy you. I'm blasting straight through him. Oh, man. What makes you, die? This video's not interesting. Wrong spot. Seriously? I'm just gonna do a bunch of C4s. I know it may not work, but this is gonna kill me. No, it's not made up. It's gonna so kill me. And in the grand finale, I had some right here. And then bunch. Add some on his face. Okay. We're about to test if this dude dies from everything. Will this keep me safe? Ow. There has to be a way to kill the Merlin. Maybe you need like a mod or something. Something strange. I don't really have. Whoa. I forgot I could just use the flying thing. Okay, we're gonna watch through this window. Down, down. Oh, I see him. Okay. Do you guys see him? 3, 2, 1. Why did he not die? Why doesn't he? Okay. I'm gonna do what you guys have been asking for. Campaign. Okay. Here's campaign for you. Very hard. Wait, does it continue? No, can it not continue from where I am? I guess we'll just go. Old build. Do you want to know skip mission? No. I'm doing campaign. I'll make a series of campaign mode, but yeah, old building problem. I don't know if you guys could hear me. I'll just edit it so you guys can. Oh, come on. I remember this. Don't tell me this will set fire, will it? Don't tell me. Dang it. Here we go. Now this is what I'll... Oh. Picked everything up except for these. Oh yeah. Don't really have enough, but... Oop. Totally missed that. What? This thing is so on fire. There's barely anything. Fire? Okay. I could easily do that. Do I have easy cleaner? It's easy cleaner. Easy cleaner. Watch this. Let's get those debris. Get the fire. Bam, 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 bam. That's how easy cleaner works. Gets debris and fire. Some back here. Okay. What does this thing do? Oh, okay. Change it. There we go. Oh, I'm not driving. Mission complete. Main menu? I'm so confused. Was that it? Was that it? I'll have to watch a full gameplay on that because that can't be it. That was way too easy. You know what? I let me see what mods I have. I need to lay down. I've been sitting crisscross applesauce for so long. Ow. Ooh, somebody move the camera. That is so much better. Now I can see the timing of the video and this. Here, I have to reset it. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. Fix that. There we go. You guys can't see very well, but I'll try my best. What? A bunker? I can't see from here. Oh, a bunker buster missile strike? Of course I'm enabling that. I want to see what it does. First I want to see how big it is. And then I'll get in a bunker. Because I know where a bunker is. I really do. It's in this security place. Go. So you got it in this place. I can see. Why is my remote shaking? Oh, it's because I'm walking. What? It shows your footprints? It's because I'm walking it. Ah, snow. And bam! Oh, that's more than snow. That's through the ceiling. Man, I'm gonna make my next video more interesting. Okay, if I remember the bunkers right here, or this leads to the death trap. 1, 2. Slow? Why slow? I am moving slow. It's pretty bright for me, but not for you guys. I could see like over there and stuff. There's a camera, there's a vent AC thing there. But I don't believe you could see that all. I don't even know where my camera's pointing. Oh. Okay, looking at this. Okay, my camera's pointing pretty good. Wait. How would I send it? Wait. Where's my bunker buster though? Just gotta look for something that's new. Bunker buster. Oh, so it's not in this section. Bunker. Where is it? Functional camera. I'm looking for bunker. Oh, it's in. Oh. Bunker buster. I'm scared. Let's get deeper. Because this thing is gonna smack through the ceiling. Yeah, let's get a little bit deeper, like down here. Let me hack this real quick. Okay. Okay, we're making some progress. We're doing it. Okay. I don't know what that. What? Oh, just a trick. Makes you think that there's a hallway down there, but there's not. Okay, turn on my flashlight. It's getting darky and spooky. I said darky. This looks like a secured ceiling. No, it actually looks like a horrible slide. What does that say? Oh. Oh. Purifiers, but I haven't even sent this thing yet. Okay, ready? 3. Oh. Where is this? Oh. I'll do it in here. Bam! Is it coming? What? What? It didn't even come in here? What? Did it blast somewhere else? Where? Where did it blast out? Nothing changed. Let's see about this. What? This bunker is so good. My. Wait, was it hitting up here though? My goodness, those bunker busters are huge. I want to see what they look like though. That's deep. How bad does it hurt me? Please. No. I read it. Oh. Oh. Barely does anything. What if I just... Ow. That hurt more. Ow. Oh. That hurt him. I am so sorry, Forrest. Oh, they come from over there. Oh, I was looking the wrong way. So they come from there. Oh, they come from different directions I look at. That hurts. Kill me. Oh! That smacked me. Wow. Okay. This game is awesome, bro. I have played it, but still. I don't know what I should make my next video about. Maybe it shouldn't even be teardown. But it might be. Get the snow off. Yep. I don't even know what I should make the title of the video. Oh no, I'm over exaggerating. Anyways, hope you like teardown. I'll see. Wait. Please please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.